In March 2026, a groundbreaking study from Brown University issued a major warning regarding the growing trend of using AI chatbots like ChatGPT as DIY therapists. While millions of people are turning to artificial intelligence for mental health support, researchers found that these systems routinely break core ethical standards that licensed human professionals are legally and professionally required to follow, even when explicitly instructed to act as trained counselors. AI models were found to display 15 distinct ethical risks, ranging from mishandling life-threatening crises to offering deceptive empathy. The study highlights that, while these models are excellent at mimicking human conversation, they fundamentally lack the ethical moral compass and clinical judgment necessary to navigate the complexities of the human mind. The research team, led by Ph.D. candidates Zainab Iftikhar, developed a practitioner-informed framework to map AI behavior against real-world clinical violations. They discovered that, while a chatbot can mimic the language of cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) or dialectical behavior therapy (DBT) based on its training data, it lacks the genuine comprehension required for safe practice. One of the most significant dangers identified was deceptive empathy. The use of phrases like, "I see you" or "I understand how you feel," which creates a false sense of emotional connection. This empathy gap can mislead vulnerable users into believing the machine truly cares for their well-being, potentially causing deeper emotional distress when the AI's limitations eventually become apparent. The study categorized the 15 ethical risks into 5 broad areas that every user should be aware of: a lack of contextual adaptation, poor therapeutic collaboration, deceptive empathy, unfair discrimination, and a total lack of safety and crisis management. Researchers found that AI often ignores a person's unique background, offering generic advice that can be culturally insensitive or even harmful. In several tests, the models failed to address sensitive issues or direct users to appropriate help during a crisis, such as a user experiencing suicidal thoughts. Unlike human therapists, who are governed by professional boards and can be held liable for malpractice, there is currently no legal or regulatory framework to hold an AI or its creators accountable for harmful mental health advice. Despite these red flags, the researchers at Brown's Center for Technological Responsibility emphasize that AI is unnecessarily the enemy of mental health care. These tools have the immense potential to expand access for those who face high costs or limited availability of licensed professionals. However, the 2026 report insists that prompting alone, no matter how carefully a jailbreak or therapy prompt is written on Reddit or TikTok, can not replace the years of rigorous training and oversight of a human psychologist. As AI continues to evolve, the scientific community is calling for the creation of strict legal and educational standards to ensure these digital assistants serve as a bridge to care rather than a dangerous replacement for it.